Choosing to be. Devotion. Devotion to my presence, to myself, to living, and having understanding for myself, for each emotion and feeling as they arise, to be felt, released, expressed as each situation and event unfolds, anticipated, imagined, projected, sensed in the nerves. Who do I desire to be seen, to be cared? The desire arises because there is a deep devotion to self, a magnetic pull to be present within me, something that is unfolding in all of us, in our own ways, in our own places, in our own paces. I do not fear what I experience, who I am in each moment. The cage of suffering is no longer my home.